In today's video, I'll teach you how to create account in Tag Manager. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in tagmanager.google.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Google Tag Manager. Simply wait for the interface to load. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. So what you have to do is simply click on this option, create account, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. What you have to do is simply fill in these details that you can see right over here on your screen. First of all, enter your account name. Click on the field of account name. Now what you have to do is enter the account name over here. After doing that, also select the country. Click on the field of country. Now what you have to do is click on the country of your choice. If you want to share data anonymously with Google and others, check on this box that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll have to proceed to container setup. Over here, what you have to do is enter the container name. What you have to do is click on the field of container name. Now simply enter the container name over here. Now also you'll be able to see the option for target platform. You'll be able to find various options for web, iOS, Android, AMP, server. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, click on the create option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to agree to the Google Tag Manager Terms of Service Agreement. Simply read the agreement over here. After you read it, what you have to do is check on this box. I also accept the data processing terms as required by GDPR. Now once you do that, click on the yes option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your account on Google Tag Manager will be created. So that is how you create account on Google Tag Manager. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.